Jaquel Laura, and welcome to my channel. This is my very first YouTube video. Woo! If you guys know me in real life, you know that I am a baller on a budget, a diva on a dime. Some would even say just plain cheap. I basically like to work on what's small that I have and just kind of make the most of it, make use of what I have and create something beautiful out of it. So my journey in getting this apartment just a few months ago, starting with a bare space, you'll see today in my apartment tour video how much we have invested into this apartment using very little money. And I want to show you guys where I kind of got things from, and then we'll do like an update in 6 months or a year from now so that you guys can see the drastic difference between what's going on now to how we enhance our apartment. If you want to go ahead and see my apartment tour, then definitely keep on watching.
So the first place we're going to look at is actually our living room. So as soon as you walk into our apartment, from opening the door, you have our living room. We have our brand new couch there. We got that from American Freight Furniture. Don't get it confused with American Signature Furniture. American Freight Furniture is one of those discount places, a great place to find furniture. And these small pillows on the couch, actually pillowcases from Amazon. I'll definitely link that below. This footage is from when we first moved to the apartment. You'll see lots and lots of boxes. We really haven't figured things out. We have old like coffee tables and things from IKEA that were like $15. And this console table by the door, it's actually something my aunt gave me. So we're so grateful for her. Auntie Janice, shout out to you. And she also gave me that big bookshelf that has like a lot of our decor stuff on it. So I super love that. We've been able to keep that. The next space is actually kind of our dining room, but we've transitioned it into actually David's office, or gaming station. And then we have this area like a little breakfast nook. I don't know if there was supposed to be like a bar there. I think that's just area to peek in through the kitchen, but I enjoyed having a sit down area right in front of the kitchen. David's chair I actually got off of Facebook Marketplace. I originally ordered it off Amazon. It was like $150. Found it on Facebook Marketplace for only $60. So I traded that out. The next space I want to look at is actually the patio. So I did a lot of work on the patio, y'all. That was the original space. It was very, very bare, this ugly thin carpet down there. And now I actually added on these really plush, if you guys know like kid space areas, they have those like puzzle pieces on the ground that are really plush. I added those that are green, like kind of like a faux grass look, but it's super soft, almost like a carpeted area. That wall tapestry was actually gifted to me last Christmas, so thank you so much. And this is another dining set that would have been in the dining room, but now is our little outdoor patio area. Another purchase from American Freight Furniture. And this table that David is actually using for his desk is actually another purchase from Facebook Marketplace. This area is the kitchen that we're going to take a look at. This is the original footage from the kitchen when we first moved in. Obviously, we had nothing organized. As you can see, where literally things are tossed everywhere. But we have a lot of countertop space, which is nice, that we weren't used to at our old apartment. The reason why we initially had to move was because our old apartment building had a fire. So the foundation that we were standing on was charred and we really couldn't stay there. Don't mind all the dirty clothes that were in that laundry space, as we did have to wash all of our clothes, just to make sure that they didn't smell like smoke. This is a space clean and organized. I love that mat under the sink. It's a DD's discount steal. I use this kitchen area that you guys are just looking at as kind of like an organization space. I have my little vision board from 2020, my calendar, and I love that I can peek through this space to see my patio. So we try to keep all of our countertops really open and clean. I try not to clutter the space with too much countertop decor. But I love this cute little steel cafe stein that I got from the thrift store. This is the original footage of our laundry room when we first moved into the apartment. You notice shelving up above the washing machine. But I don't like that the pantry is in the laundry room or in a separate space in the kitchen. And we think we have enough cabinet space. So we use all of our cabinet space for actual pantry items. And then that shelving in the laundry area we use more for like hardware, housewares things. So this is the laundry area now, a lot more organized. don't even want to show you guys the pantry shelving because it's probably still a little bit unorganized, but that's kind of what our space looks like. I like to keep the space very open and clean. And then this is the full walkway of the kitchen. So I really love these floors so that you can still clearly hear through the apartments. I mean, they're not super thick, but that was one of the main things I loved about this apartment. We're heading into the bathroom now, and this was original footage, lots of boxes, lots of stuff everywhere. Sorry, I actually was using my phone, so awful focus on this. But this is the bathroom. My mom actually picked out that Ellen DeGeneres branded shower curtain, which I love. I do want to do a bathroom makeover and kind of show you some other things. That's me. This was a sign from our old apartment that I think I got from Marshall's. I mean, might have been $5. Super cheap. I love the rugs in both the shower area and below the sink. Both of those rugs were under $10 at TJ Maxx. But yeah, and I love the bamboo shelving here. Not shelving, bamboo trash can and the bamboo like book rack or magazine rack that I put by the toilet. I want to keep that bathroom really bamboo-like. And the next space here we're going to look at is the bedroom. So this is the original footage of the bedroom. Boxes were everywhere. We had not even set up our bed frame, our what is it called? Dresser. Anything like that. That's what's in all of those boxes. That furniture was from American Freight Furniture. And then this is our closet. We actually have a pretty open closet space. I would love to show you guys what I've done with the closet, but I have a big bedroom makeover that I am really wanting to get into. So I'm going to save that for the bedroom makeover video. But as you can see, the bedroom looks much, much cleaner. I've got a little corner over there with laundry that I need to work on. But other than that, in that corner, I do want to put like a mirror and maybe like a little faux fur rug. But that's my little computer desk, and that's kind of where I do my editing and things. And then this is kind of the bedroom. It's a nice big space. I was actually surprised we could fit a queen bed, a dresser drawer, as well as like a bigger dresser, and 2 nightstands and a desk in there. So, which even though that's a folding table, I do plan on making there be a desk over there. I did mount that TV all by myself, which I'm super proud of. Got that TV mount, by the way, from Burlington Coat Factory, maybe $15. So really great finds. That bed sheet set is from Walmart, but we are really wanting to upgrade, so you guys stay tuned for the bedroom makeover video that's coming soon. But that is our entire apartment that we're ending with the bedroom. Thank you so much for watching.
Welcome to my channel. Obviously this is my first video, so continue to come back if you enjoyed this video, and know that I will be doing lots of other videos on home decor, DIYs, and just discounts in general, where you can find your discounts and doing little hauls like that, and any other video ideas that you guys would enjoy. If you know me personally, then definitely comment down below and let me know.